मान्यवर
ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर,
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ।
you need to withdraw.
This is absolutely not fair, sir. No, this is my time. So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No.
They can say their part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what?
Sir,
no way.
For
what? These central agencies, sure. Under previous governments, the Supreme Court has said that, they're a caged parrot, etc., etc. But the BJP claims to be a party with a difference. So we thought things would change. Nothing has changed in the last 11 years. For the benefit of the honorable member, sir, I'm going to now read out the glorious record of the CBI, sir. So over 6,900...
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे, एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं है। ये क्या मीमांसा कर रहे हैं? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा। जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाएगा।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
No.
I did not even refer to the CBI. Anyway, sir, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए. He is free to do that.
Saket.
So over 6,900 cases of corruption have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield. I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for...
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.
इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ मैं। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर, ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं, इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं, वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है। जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई है, ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर। चीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की? चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाई कोर्ट में, हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर। हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। आप हाई कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर्ड किए गए हैं, और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर। And I'll appeal to the members.
All these things can happen in the
Keep
reply,
this in
sir.
mind and continue.
All this
Mr.
can happen in the
Saket Gokul,
reply.
please.
ठीक है, sir. I'm going to skip CBI and ED. I just want to make one thing clear,
No,
sir.
you made a wrong observation about Dargay.
I'm skipping it.
Not
Sir,
good. Continue.
sir, मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। On इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो तो आता है, sir.
Saket,
होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर,
Mr.
sir, this is not
Gokhale,
fair. This
Mr.
is not
Gokhale,
fair at all. This is not fair at all.
You need to withdraw.
This is
as the
absolutely
leader of
not
the
fair,
House
sir.
says.
No, this is
And I
my
think-
time. So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No,
sir.
no. Mr.
They can say their
Mr.
part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what?
Apologize for
Sir,
what?
no way. No.
For what?
For what?
For making a submission.
For what?
Just say something.
Ridiculous.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
में,
your
तब
seat.
किसी को नहीं रोका जाता।
Take it. Honorable members, one second. Honorable members, please, take your seat. Take your seat. What's wrong with you? Your leader of the House has spoken. Honorable members, for last few days, we have had good, healthy discussion. There may be different points of view, and I would strongly urge the honorable member that using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down, you need to withdraw. I would delete it. No. One second. If any member of the House says that the other member डर गया है, is something which can neither be overlooked nor countenanced. Each member of the House, in his own right, has his dignity. I will look into everything, but it will increase your stature. It will make healthy debate. You need to withdraw that observation. The observation has been imparted with respect to India's Home Minister. This doesn't give good signal. No one interrupted. I allowed. So I would urge you. Otherwise, there are ways in which we deal with situations, deletion of it or otherwise. And I think he is saying a good suggestion. You need to withdraw that. Personal observations of any nature need to be avoided. I am totally opposed, and I am so happy the debate has been very nice in recent days. We have a Home Minister who has been here right from the beginning, and if there have been interventions, the intervention was jurisdictional. That one second. I think members will speak only after I conclude. So I would urge Saket Gokhale, since the objection is legitimate by leader of the House, it does not find approval of the chair. I do not want a promising member to derail himself, and therefore the personal observation withdraw. Saket. One second. So I stand by what I said,
Sir?
but I would appreciate you'll withdraw.
I greatly respect you, sir. I'm Mamta Banerjee's soldier. BJP wale withdraw karenge, hum nahi karenge. Let me now come
The observation
to the NIA
is
and that's your call, sir. That's your call. I won't withdraw.
The observation is deleted.
Fair, sir. That's your call. I'm not
And
withdrawing.
it is deleted because I find it not only unparliamentary, not only I find it unjustified, I find it is not well motivated. Please go ahead. Continue.
I've lost some of my time, sir, but that's
I'll add up the time. I'll add up the time. You can expect the chair to be fair. I'll add up the time. 2 minutes I'll add.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, in 2013, sir, a former director of the Intelligence Bureau, this is 2013, under the previous government, he said that structural changes to the IB, the Intelligence Bureau, have not happened since the 1980s. And at that time, he called for urgent legislative and structural changes to the functioning of the Intelligence Bureau to make it more independent. This was 2013, sir. So that former director of Intelligence Bureau in 2014, Mr. Ajit Doval, became India's National Security Advisor. He's been in that position, sir, for the last 11 years. These legislative and structural changes that he wanted in 2013, we have not seen those happen in the last 11 years, sir. So the NIA, originally envisaged as an anti-terror agency, so the NIA is busy now running its agendas in different states, locking up Indians for supposedly plotting against the Modi government. An 83-year-old man, sir, a tribal welfare worker and a priest, Father Stan Swami. We know how he died in prison. We know the story of being denied a straw. This is what the NIA does, sir, today.
Shame.
So also the NIA is used, a very concerning issue which pertains to a lot of members in the House on all sides, sir. So in 2021, there were independent investigations that raised allegations that the union government, on over phones of about 300 people, including opposition leaders, judges, politicians, ministers, activists, journalists, it was alleged that the union government had planted an Israeli software called Pegasus for surveillance. My leader, Abhishek Banerjee, was one of those leaders, sir. So in 2022, the matter reached the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court set up a technical committee to examine these allegations. So there is something very interesting that the committee told the Supreme Court. It said that through this entire investigation, the union government refused to cooperate with the committee. If Pegasus was used legally, they shouldn't have there's no harm in admitting it. If it was used illegally, then maybe that's the reason you're hiding it. Otherwise, there's no reason to hide it from the Supreme Court committee. Anyway, sir, surveillance happens, agencies are used. I want to come to a subject which rocked this country about 4 or 5 years ago, the CAA and the NRC, sir. So the Honorable Home Minister might remember, he had made a very famous speech at that point, before the bill was introduced in Parliament. He had said, "Aap chronology samjhiye. पहले सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट बिल आएगा, फिर एनआरसी लागू होगा, सिर्फ बंगाल में नहीं, पूरे देश में एनआरसी लागू होगा." And then he came to Bengal and said, illegal people will be thrown like termites into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, ठीक है. This caused so much concern, sir, in India, that his own Prime Minister, a few weeks later at Ramlila Maidan, completely contradicted what he said and said, "Nahi, there is no plan to bring a nationwide NRC." Anyway, Lok Sabha election के time speech दिया था. Eventually, January 2020, the Citizen Amendment Bill was notified.